Amazon Black Friday deals have officially started, and the discounts are huge. We searched the 30 best deals for you, and some of them are up to 88% off, so stick around till the end so you don't miss the biggest deals. Our first deal features the Philips Hue Festivia lights, now 50% off, priced at $200, down from $400. These weatherproof lights offer bright white or customizable color effects, sync beautifully with music, work year-round for decor or security, and install easily with adhesive tape or screws for a permanent hassle-free setup. Our second deal features the Bissell Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner, now 45% off, priced at $88, down from $160. This lightweight cordless cleaner delivers strong suction for stains and spills, includes handy cleaning tools and formula, stores easily in small spaces, and provides up to 20 minutes of battery-powered cleaning freedom. Our third deal features the AeroGarden Harvest Light in Green, now 50% off, priced at $50, down from $100. This soil-free indoor garden grows up to 6 herbs or veggies year-round with automatic reminders, a smart LED grow light, and a compact design that fits perfectly in kitchens, offices, or dorms. Our fourth deal features the Technivore Maca Master Coffee Brewer, now 54% off, priced at $160, down from $349. This expert-approved brewer makes up to 40 ounces of coffee in just minutes, includes a thermal carafe to keep it hot longer, offers a manual adjust brew basket for customization, and is built with durable, premium materials backed by a 5-year warranty. Our fifth deal features the DJI Mini 4K drone, now 20% off, priced at $239, down from $299. This ultralight drone requires no FAA registration, shoots stunning stabilized 4K footage, offers beginner-friendly controls with auto return, and delivers long flight time options with impressive wind resistance for smooth, reliable flying. Our sixth deal features the Escort Laser Radar Detector, now 18% off, priced at $450, down from $550. This smart detector offers full 360-degree protection with directional alerts, built-in Wi-Fi updates, false alert filtering, and community-shared warnings, all packed into a premium, travel-ready design engineered and supported in the USA. Our seventh deal features the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, now 48% off, priced at $130, down from $250. This AI-powered smartwatch tracks workouts, heart rate, sleep, and energy levels, offers personalized wellness tips, and helps you stay motivated with performance comparisons and smart health insights throughout your day. Our eighth deal features the Sunjoe Electric Pressure Washer, now 51% off, priced at $144, down from $295. This powerful 2030 PSI washer includes dual detergent tanks, multiple spray nozzles, durable build quality, and easy portability with wheels, perfect for cars, patios, driveways, and heavy outdoor cleaning. Our ninth deal features the Maca Master Coffee Maker, now 35% off, priced at $239, down from $369. This premium brewer makes perfect coffee with ideal water temperature, includes a brew volume selector, works with a simple one-switch operation, and automatically shuts off for quiet, safe, and effortless brewing. Our 10th deal features the Momcozy Baby Bottle Washer, now 20% off, priced at $240, down from $300. This all-in-one machine thoroughly cleans, sterilizes, and dries up to 4 bottles at once, offers multiple wash and sterilizing modes, uses powerful spray jets for spotless results, and keeps bottles hygienically stored with HEPA filtered airflow. Our 11th deal features the Nordic Track T-Series, now 20% off, priced at $639, down from $799. This compact foldable treadmill reaches speeds up to 10 miles per hour with a 0 to 10% incline, features cushioned KeyFlex running, a 5-inch LCD display with device shelf, and integrates with iFit for guided workouts and heart rate controlled training. Our 12th deal features the CyberPower Master Gaming PC, now 22% off, priced at $930, down from $1,190. This powerhouse PC comes with an AMD Ryzen 7 870F, GeForce RTX 5060 Ti, 16GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB NVMe SSD, customizable RGB lighting, and includes keyboard and mouse, perfect for high-performance gaming with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. Our 13th deal features the Beckham bed pillows, now 48% off, priced at $42, down from $80. These soft hotel-style pillows feature breathable cotton covers with plush polyester fill, maintain their shape with a no-shift design, are machine washable, and provide comfortable support for all sleeping positions. Our 14th deal features the PlayStation Portal Remote Player, now 10% off, priced at $179, down from $200. This portable device streams PS5 and PS4 games from your console or the cloud, delivers immersive Tempest 3D audio, and showcases smooth 1080p gameplay at 60 frames per second on its vibrant 8-inch LCD screen. Our 15th deal features the Hatch Restore 3, now 18% off, priced at $140, down from $170. This smart bedside device helps you unwind and sleep better with customizable sunrise alarms, soothing soundscapes, dimmable lights, and guided bedtime routines, all designed to create a restful, screen-free bedroom environment. Our 16th deal features the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, now 25% off, priced at $899, down from $1,199. This flagship phone offers a pro-grade camera with 50 megapixel shots, 100 times zoom, and 8K video, runs on the powerful Tensor G5 chip. Our 17th deal features the Graco SlimFit 3-in-1, now 30% off, priced at $168, down from $240. This versatile car seat grows with your child from rear to forward facing to booster, features a slim design with rotating cup holders, easy harness adjustment, multiple recline positions, and top-tier side impact protection for maximum safety. Our 18th deal features the Jackery Portable Power Station, now 19% off, priced at $349, down from $429. This compact 1070 watt-hour power station delivers 1500 watt AC output with a 3000 watt surge, charges fully in as little as 1 hour, features multiple USB and AC ports, and boasts a long-lasting LiFePO4 battery built for over 10 years of reliable use. Our 19th deal features the Sonos Arc Ultra soundbar, now 20% off, priced at $879, down from $1,099. This premium soundbar delivers immersive 9.1.4 Dolby Atmos audio, AI-powered speech enhancement, precise sound placement, elegant design, and easy control via TV remote, app, or voice assistants for a complete home theater experience. Our 20th deal features the PowerDetect Upright Vacuum Cleaner, now 42% off, priced at $350, down from $600. This high-performance vacuum uses Duo Clean Detect with IntelliSense sensors to target hidden dirt, edge cleaning technology for corners, and automatically adjusts suction and brush roll speed for optimal cleaning on carpets and hard floors. Our 21st deal features the Hexclad 6-piece fry pan set, now 20% off, priced at $318, down from $399. These versatile pans combine stainless steel and ceramic nonstick surfaces for perfect searing, feature tri-ply construction for even heating, are safe for all stovetops including induction, and come with tempered glass lids and a lifetime warranty. Our 22nd deal features the 3D pen set for kids, now 33% off, priced at $40, down from $60. This child-safe 3D pen includes no hot parts, charges 50% faster, comes with extra filaments and stencils, and provides a fun, screen-free STEM learning experience for kids aged 6 and up. Our 23rd deal features the Maca Master Coffee Maker, now 35% off, priced at $239, down from $369. This pump-free coffee maker brews a perfect 40-ounce pot in just 4 to 6 minutes, offers a convenient brew volume selector for half or full carafes, and operates quietly with automatic shutoff for safety. Our 24th deal features this Fullstar The Original Pro Chopper, now 50% off, priced at $24.99, down from $49.99. This versatile kitchen gadget chops, dices, and spiralizes vegetables with heavy-duty rust-resistant blades, features a stable non-slip base and built-in catch tray to keep your counters clean, and makes meal prep fast, effortless, and perfect for healthy, everyday cooking. Our 25th deal features the FlashForge 3D printer, now 26% off, priced at $229, down from $309. It offers one-click automatic printing with flawless first layers, ultra-fast precision with a Core XY structure, easy 3-second nozzle changes, and the ability to monitor prints remotely via the Flashmaker app for a seamless and efficient creative experience. Our 26th deal features this McCook Art knife set, now 54% off, priced at $57.99, down from $125.99. This 15-piece German stainless steel knife set includes a built-in sharpener for effortless maintenance, ergonomic balanced knives for precision cutting, a durable wooden block for safe storage, and is perfect for both beginner cooks and professional chefs. Our 27th deal features this Airmoto tire inflator, now 28% off, priced at $63.99, down from $89. It inflates tires quickly and accurately, up to 120 psi, features an auto shut-off function, includes multiple adapters for cars, bikes, and sports equipment, and comes with a large, easy-to-read LCD screen and built-in LED flashlight for night or emergency use. Our 28th deal features this Ego Home mattress for back pain, now 27% off, priced at $510, down from $700. It combines cooling copper gel and advanced M-Lily memory foam for superior support and temperature regulation, is Certipur US certified for safety and hygiene, comes compressed in a convenient mattress in a box, and provides long-lasting comfort and spinal alignment for a healthier night's sleep. Our 29th deal features ENC Sport Earbuds, now 88% off, priced at $23.99, down from $199.99. They feature an innovative touchscreen control case, powerful hi-fi stereo sound with 5 EQ modes, adaptive noise cancellation for calls and music, a secure, sweat-proof ergonomic fit with IPX7 protection, and deliver seamless Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity up to 33 feet. Our 30th deal features the Microsoft Surface laptop, now 34% off, priced at $1,389.99, down from $2,099.99. This AI-powered Copilot Plus PC delivers exceptional speed and productivity, a 13.8-inch HDR touchscreen for vivid visuals, up to 20 hours of all-day battery life, and advanced AI features to enhance work, creativity, and video calls, making it perfect for modern multitasking. So that's a wrap on today's 30 hidden early Black Friday deals on Amazon. If there's any product you think we missed, drop a comment and we'll include it in the next part. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description to grab these deals before they're gone.